Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So a couple of days ago, I let you know that Microsoft officially confirmed and had started testing this year's annual update, Windows 11 26H2. And I'll leave the video linked down below and in the end screen if you'd like some more information, because we spoke about what you need to know regarding the update. Now, as I've mentioned previously with 26H2, it's going to be enabled using an enablement package, EKB for short. So instead of downloading gigabytes of installation files, eligible PCs will only need a tiny 174 kilobyte enablement package to unlock features that are already installed but remain dormant in the OS. So that's a very, very small update. So it's going to take place very quick and very fast. Now, just to let you know now that this 174 kilobyte enablement package only applies to systems on Microsoft's latest servicing branch. So PCs, as an example, still running Windows 11 23H2 will need to download approximately a 6.5 gigabyte package and complete a full operating system upgrade before you can install Windows 11 26H2. So that's quite a big difference. 174 kilobytes versus 6.5 gigabytes. Now, the difference comes down to Microsoft's servicing strategy introduced with Windows 11 24H2. So as you may well know if you've been viewing this channel for some time, when Microsoft released Windows 11 24H2, it moved the operating system to a new source code branch known as Germanium. So unlike previous cumulative updates, upgrading from Windows 11 23H2 to 24H2 required a complete operating system replacement, often referred to as an OS swap. And since then, Microsoft has kept Windows 11 24 and 25H2 and the upcoming 26H2 on the same Germanium servicing branch, which allows Microsoft to distribute new features, as mentioned, using a very small enablement package. So if you are already running Windows 11 24 and 25H2, installing 26H2 will work much like installing a regular monthly cumulative update. So another reason that 23H2 will require a 6.5 gigabyte download and installation is that 23H2 belongs to Microsoft's older servicing branch, meaning there is no shared code base with Windows 11 26H2. So as a result, you must complete another full OS swap, as mentioned, to move onto the Germanium branch to be able to update to 26H2. And just on a side note, as mentioned, 24H2 was a complete OS swap, as mentioned, when Microsoft moved to a new source code known as Germanium. And that's why I think 24H2 had so many problems. It was plagued with issues. Almost every week I was posting, even more than once a week in some cases, I was posting about issues and known issues that 24H2 was experiencing. And although 25H2 has had its list of known issues, it's far less and has been far less than 24H2 in my personal opinion. So interesting stuff. And Microsoft has already confirmed that Windows 11 26H2 will not introduce new hardware requirements. So any PC capable of running Windows 11 24H2 or 25H2 should also support Windows 11 26H2 without additional hardware changes. So interesting stuff. 6.5 gigabytes as opposed to 174 kilobytes. Thought that was interesting and just wanted to share it with you guys. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.